Hello everyone! Is your car stalling when coming to a stop? Do you feel like the transmission is locked up or maybe your fuel efficiency has dropped? If your obd2 scanner has detected P0742 torque converter clutch circuit stuck on, this means your torque converter clutch, TCC, is not disengaging properly, causing rough driving conditions. In this video I'll explain what P0742 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors responsible for this issue. Let's get started. What is P0742? The P0742 trouble code appears when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects that the torque converter clutch, TCC, is stuck in the on position, preventing the torque converter from properly disengaging. If this issue isn't fixed, it can cause stalling, transmission overheating, and serious drivability problems. Common symptoms of P0742. Car stalls when stopping, harsh or erratic shifting. Transmission overheating, poor fuel economy. Check engine light on locked up torque converter. If you're experiencing these issues, let's check the exact location of the components causing the problem. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0742, check these important components. Torque converter clutch, TCC. Solenoid location. Inside the transmission valve body near the transmission pan. Function. Engages and disengages the torque converter clutch for smooth operation. Torque converter turbine speed sensor, TSS sensor. Location. Mounted on the transmission housing near the torque converter. Function. Monitors torque converter speed to ensure proper engagement. Transmission input speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location. Near the input shaft of the transmission. Function. Compares input speed with output speed to maintain proper shifting. Transmission Control Module, TCM, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, usually found under the hood near the firewall or battery. Function, controls transmission operation based on sensor inputs. Wiring and connectors location, runs between the TCC solenoid sensors and PCM. Function, ensures stable electrical signals. Damaged wiring can lead to signal failure. Common causes of P07421. Faulty torque converter clutch, TCC, solenoid. If it gets stuck on, the converter won't disengage. 2. Wiring or connector issues. Short circuits or damaged wiring can cause the clutch to stay engaged. 3. Dirty or contaminated transmission fluid. Debris can clog solenoids, preventing proper function. 4. Faulty torque converter turbine speed sensor. Incorrect readings can affect clutch operation. 5. Internal transmission issues. A failing torque converter or valve body may need replacement. 6. PCM-TCM software problems. A software update or reset may be required. How to fix P0742. Step 1. Check transmission fluid, ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect the TCC solenoid and wiring. Look for corrosion, loose connections, or damage. Step 3. Test the torque converter turbine speed sensor. Use a multimeter to check voltage. Step 4. Inspect the input speed sensor. Compare sensor readings to detect inconsistencies. Step 5. Examine the torque converter. If it's faulty, it may need replacement. Step 6. Check PCM, TCM connections. Make sure they're clean and securely connected. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an obd2 scanner to reset the code and check for improvements. If left unfixed, P0742 can cause serious transmission problems. Identifying the faulty component early can save you from expensive repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0740, torque converter clutch, circuit malfunction. P0741, torque converter clutch circuit performance or stuck off. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.